Hello, my lovely. My name is Frankie. Welcome if you're new here and welcome back if you're not. Today's review is of the Ouai's new curl cream and I am so excited to be filming this video. I have been waiting for what seems like forever for the Ouai to bring out some curl products. So it is here. I have it in my hands. I went for the fragrance one. They are also doing a non-fragrance one. But the reason I went for the fragrance is because I've used the Ouai's products in the past and I am obsessed with their scents and I wanted to see what this one smelled like. Pure curiosity, I had to know. So we're going to start this video with a little bit of info about the product, what the Ouai says about the curl cream and how they suggest we use it, and then we'll dive a little bit further into how I've been getting on with it, how I've been using it, and what I think about the product. So yeah, we're going to dive straight in. The minds behind Ouai Hair Care turn to the most knowledgeable, discerning people they know, their very own curly-haired community. That's right, this luscious blend was co-created with 150 members of their community and faced over a year of testing before they were sure it was worthy of touching your curls. This does-it-all styling cream is brimming with conditioning plant oils that add definition, shine, and impressive hydration to parched coils, curls, and ringlets. Its unique consistency first goes on like a cream before melting into your hair with the swiftness of an oil. Speaking of which, at the heart of the formula is a Frizz smoothing duo of chai and linseed oils that emphasize the shape of your curls as well as protecting them against humidity. The finishing touch is an infusion of the brand's fan favorite North Bondi scent, a bergamot and lemon blend that's simply bewitching. As for what's not included, this vegan cream is free from silicons, SLS, parabens, phthalates and gluten. And as well as that, the tube is also made out of sugarcane plastic, making it 100% recyclable. The Ouai says to use this product on wet hair, you should section the hair and distribute evenly by finger combing through each section. Embrace and enhance your natural curls or use to create your favorite style. On dry hair, you can apply it sparingly and directly to curls to help define and smooth frizz. So you can see in this video that I've started off with a good amount of product and I've distributed it through the hair. I'm using my fingers to comb it through and just to make sure that all of the product is evenly distributed throughout the hair. One thing I will say is that I used quite a bit of product. I'm not necessarily worried about that though, because it's quite a large container and in the grand scheme of things, it wasn't too much. I think maybe next time I would go through my hair with a wide tooth comb rather than my fingers, just to give it a little bit more separation and to spread the product a bit more evenly. So I've seen online that there is some talk about this product being best used when air drying the hair, but unfortunately I don't have enough hours in the day to let my hair air dry. It takes me the whole day for my hair to air dry, so I decided to load this product in and diffuse dry it. And now I've got to say that that's why there might be a little bit of frizz in these areas, but saying that, I've used products in the past that have done nothing to the frizz that I get sort of in this halo section, so I'm really happy with the frizz management and the frizz control of this product. And like the directions for use said, if you want to go through afterwards and use it as more of like a serum, you can apply it sparingly just to control frizz and enhance curls once the hair is dry. And I did that as well because I wanted to try and use this product as much as possible to get the best out of it. And I actually am really happy with how it feels and sits in the hair when the hair is dry as well. If you had quite fine hair, maybe your hair wouldn't absorb it just as well as mine, but my hair is quite absorbent and quite large. There's a lot of it, so it does really absorb the product. So I went for the scented curl cream because I have used the Ouai's products in the past and I am obsessed with their scents. But there are actually two different curl creams. There is a scented one and an unscented one. So that means if you're trying to avoid fragrances in your hair care routine, then there's a product for you that has no fragrances. And I think that's a really cool concept. There's not many brands out there that create two products, one with a scent and one without. And I think that's really good that it's sort of catering to everyone's needs, because a lot of people do try and avoid fragrances as well. But yeah, I went for the fragrance purely because I love the scent, and also I have quite a strong hair care routine. I moisturize and hydrate my hair really often, and the fragrances don't really worry me too much because they don't dry my hair out too much. So the main thing that has really impressed me about this product is that you can't even really tell that I've got it in my hair. And obviously you can't sort of see or feel the hair right now, but I feel with a lot of curl creams, they are either too lightweight and they don't do anything. They don't get rid of any frizz or enhance any of your curls, or they're so heavy that they weigh the hair down. And I think it's really hard to find a balance. Having said that, I think this product is that balance. It sits in the hair really, really well, and it doesn't feel heavy and it doesn't feel like it's weighing my curls down, but it also doesn't feel like it's not doing anything. It's the perfect balance, and it genuinely feels like I've just applied a mask or a conditioner. It's really moisturizing and really hydrating. Because it's a conditioner consistency, I feel like it'll rinse really well, and you could probably reapply it without there being too much buildup or too much sort of silky, greasy residue. So I've decided to do a couple of like before and afters for you guys, so you can see what my hair looked like without the product in and what my hair looks like against that with the product in. So I think you can see from these two pictures here that my hair looks so much more defined. The waves and the curls just look a lot more separated and a lot more defined. There is an area of frizz that you can see at the top there, but it's nothing like it is without product. And the reason I think I get this frizz is because I heat style my hair. And if I had the time to let my hair air dry, trust me, I would, but I just don't have enough time, enough hours in the day to let it air dry. It literally takes 12 hours and I hate having wet hair. So I do diffuse dry it. Having said that, next time I use it, I will try and load a little bit more in that area, and I will let you guys know how I get on with it. I will air dry my hair a bit in the summer, so if you wanna have a look on my Instagram, you can stay up to date, and I'll be posting regular updates of how I've been getting on with this product. So in these pictures, you can see that there is a considerable difference between using the product and not using the product. Where I haven't used the product, my hair is sort of falling in one consistent wave rather than it being more separated and more defined. It's a little bit frizzier and a little bit messier, whereas where I have used the product, it's looking a lot more constructed. The curls are definitely more enhanced, and it's just sitting a lot fuller, and it looks healthier, I think, as well. It looks a lot more moisturized and a lot less straggly and dry. This product has some absolutely gorgeous ingredients in it, like coconut oil, babassu oil, and chia and linseed oils, which are just 4 amazing ingredients that should be in your hair care. So they're gonna keep your hair moisturized, hydrated, they're gonna give it shine, they're gonna keep it healthy. Like, what more could you want? So as a brand, the Ouai is actually super sustainable. Not only is this container made out of sugarcane, now let's also just take a moment to appreciate. Like, isn't it so pretty? It's just so beautiful. I absolutely love it. Like, it's just so sleek and aesthetically pleasing. Like, I would carry this around in my handbag, or I would put it on show in the bathroom. I just want people to see it. Not only is this sugarcane plastic 100% recyclable, the Ouai also have refills for their shampoos and conditioners, which again, they're one of the first brands to be doing it. You don't see it all the time. So rather than just repurchase the same container of the same shampoo and conditioner, you can get like a refillable pouch that's got quite a big amount of shampoo or conditioner in it, and you can just fill up your container that you've already bought, which is perfect. And if you wanted to be extra sustainable, you could just skip out the container altogether and just squeeze it out the pouch, and then you just cut out the middleman. So I think it's really hard for me to compare this product to another product because I personally have never really used anything like this before. I touched on it a little bit earlier, but this isn't like a normal curl cream. Usually they're either really light and gentle and they don't give you any hold or enhance your curls, or they're really heavy and they sit on the hair and they just kind of flatten it and it looks a bit greasy and there's a lot of sort of slimy residue. This is not that. It sits perfectly in between. It gives you all the definition, it enhances your curls, it gives you volume, it gives you hold, but without you feeling like you've got anything in your hair, which is a first for a product for me. I've never really used a product that's just felt completely natural. It feels like it's so soft and like movable. It just feels completely natural, and I've never really used that before, so unfortunately I can't really compare it to other curl creams or other products because there is nothing quite like this. I just said that, but I think it's true. I would definitely say that this product is true to advertisement. It gives you all of those shine, all of the hold. It enhances curls. It gives you moisture, definition, hydration, shine. Everything that it says it does, it does. So it's 100% true to advertisement. And I would definitely recommend it to anyone that has even just a slight wave all the way up to coils. I think you could benefit from having this in your routine. It's almost like a conditioner consistency. So it like sits really well on the hair, and it does actually, just like they say in the advertisement, it melts away in the hair like an oil. Like you just can't feel it. It's really bizarre, but I urge you to try it. It's a really cool product, and I'm really excited for any new things that Ouai brings out. I think that they are such a cool brand, and they've got such a great community concept, and yeah, I'm all for it, and I absolutely love it, and I'm definitely going to be repurchasing this product. It was £25, which I know is kind of at the top end of budget. It is more of a premium price, but it is a luxurious product. It smells really luxurious. The packaging is really beautiful, and it does do what it says it does. And obviously the Ouai is quite a big brand. Jen Atkin is like a celebrity hairdresser. Of course it's going to be more of a luxurious premium product, but I'm totally into it, and I would 100% buy it again and recommend it to people that just want a really natural hold but still want to enhance and hydrate and moisturize all at the same time. I'm not sure if I feel like I could talk about this product for hours, but you guys are gonna get totally bored of that. So I will sign this video off here. If you would like to see any more reviews of any Ouai products, then please let me know, or any products, let me know in the comments. I've got a Function of Beauty package that has literally just arrived, and I will be reviewing that in a few weeks, about a month or so. So that is something that you guys requested, so I'm really looking forward to trying it. They look so cool as well. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week for my weekly upload. Bye!